Good morning. So I am headed to the gym. Right now I am vlogging on my camera. So yesterday when I was cooking and Justin was doing some restocking on the drinks and whatever in the house, he ended up touching the camera. The camera fell forward and the lens was expanded. So it fell forward and then it was like crooked or whatever. And I think I caught a video or a picture of that because my husband popped it back out, but it is still messed up. So all that talk, guess what I had to do? I had to buy another lens. I did run to Best Buy. I went to BrandsMart because they did not have it. I need to be drinking my pre-workout if I'm going to the gym. They did not have it. Best Buy did have one lens, and it was like a photography lens. And she let me put it on my camera. It was like open box, and it was cheaper. It was beautiful. Can you take your behind on? Like, why are you stopping? You just stopping in the middle of the road. Anyway, it's raining, y'all, and I actually got my mother-in-law's hat. She better kill me. So I was protecting my hair because later this week we had to go to see about a private school for Justin. I was so sad yesterday. I was like, right when I started picking up this camera, because Rob bought me that camera for Christmas, and I've been wanting to use it for a long time, and that happened. I had to make sure that I knew my lock code. Like, I haven't been in this gym since, because I got a home gym. Months. We'll just say that, months. Probably summertime, y'all. So, and I pay $40 a month. So, and I know this year, I really like my home gym. So I know this year what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna ask them when it starts to get warmer, I'm gonna ask them, can I just pause it? And then in the winter, pick it back up, So we'll see how they do, if they let me do that. So, wait away. I'm going to put this on. Wash my hands. You gotta wash your hands and stuff.
All she wanna do is party all night.
Got me like, yeah. When I think about you, it's the first thing that comes to my mind. Like, baby, this is, get it all. You can get it all. You can get it.
You ever want something?
When I think about you,
you know you can't have.
Come to my mind, I'm like,
and the more you know you can't have it,
shout it, you can get it all.
the more you want it.
Get it all. You can get it. I know you heard my reputation. You don't think I would ever do right by you. You think that if you and I was in a relationship, I would never be true. You think that everything I say is straight game, and to me it's just another new name. trying to tell you, for every man there's a woman that'll make him change. And I believe you the one that'll make me, but every time I try to show you, you shake me. I know I make it real hard for you to take me serious, but baby girl, I am. And I ain't stopping right here, I'ma keep going. And I'ma make sure every day that you keep knowing. Whether I have to sing your flowers or top 10, you only sell it for a few hours. I'm here like, oh, when I think about you, that's the first thing that come to my mind. I'm like, baby, you can get it all, you can get it all, you can get it. Oh, when I think about you, that's the first thing that come to my mind. I'm like, shout it, you can get it all, you can get it all, you can get it. 1 minute you act like you like me, and then the next you don't. You start sending me crazy emails like I know it's just sex you want. I can't lie, the sex is truly incredible, and every part of your body's so edible. I get chills from just thinking about it, but that ain't the reason why I'm stuck and can't let you go, let you go. We got a serious, serious bond, and when we kick it, we have nothing but fun. I feel a whole lot of L-O-V-E between you and me, even though we still young. Just your company, ain't gotta get none. Talk the same lingo, understand where I'm coming from. And if anybody asks me a question about you, I'ma tell them you the one. You got me like, oh, when I think about you, that's the first thing that come to my mind. I'm like, baby, you can get it all, you can get it all, you can get it. Oh, when I think about you, that's the first thing that come to my mind. I'm like, shout it, you can get it all, you can get it all. Yeah. Oh, when I think about you, that's the first thing that come to my mind. I'm like, baby, you can get it all, you can get it all, you can get it. Oh, when I think about you, that's the first thing that come to my mind. I'm like, shout it, you can get it all, you can get it all, you can get it.
That was my workout. As you can see, I mostly do strength training, and yeah, I can't believe I forgot my purse this morning. Yeah. Wow. I usually have like a little wallet, honestly, when I used to go to the gym very often, but yeah. So my husband, he did send me a picture of my license just in case. So, and then I do have Apple Pay if anything, because I was going to get gas, but maybe a little later for lunch I'll do that. So I'm on the way home. Now it says I burned 777 calories, and I definitely was not expecting that. But yeah, happy about that. I miss the gym, I do. I miss working out. So yeah, I'm hungry, and definitely I'm gonna try to get like a link for you guys for that gel. So about that gel, I don't know if you heard me. So you want to, put it on your problem areas, and then as you work out, your body's going to heat up, and that gel's going to heat up and make you sweat more. And I do have the other one, Sweet Sweat, I think it's called, and then I also wear the belt as well. But I like this little vest thing too, but and it kind of holds you in too. I like that. It's been a while since I've been to this gym, but I try to get the most content as I could. Also, thank you so much for all your nice words you guys have said to me. Yes, starting a YouTube channel definitely takes a lot of courage, and just wow. It's scary, but I finally did it. I've been wanting to do this for a long time. If anything, I might go home and make a smoothie, show you guys the protein shake that I use. And then for lunch, I am going to eat a salad. I got some chicken left over, and then what else I'm gonna do for dinner, I don't know. My diet, I don't eat any pork or beef, so basically no red meat. at all. So I eat chicken, fish, ground turkey, of course, what else? Trying to think what else I eat. You know, sliced turkey, stuff like that. That's what I eat. Yeah. And I try to drink at least, I just got this, which I love. I just got this water bottle maybe 3 days ago, and I have definitely drunk more water out of this, and this is the brand, and this is a 30 ounce. So I try to drink 2 of these. So you're supposed to drink half of your body weight a day, I believe. That's what I have learned in the past, and that's what I try to do. But that's not half of my body weight, you know. But I try to drink at least 2 of those. Currently, I'm 183 pounds. And so before, we have some things going on this summer. Before that, I'm trying to lose a few pounds, because I've had this dress for a long time, and we're going to a concert, and I want to get into it and look nice, you know. It's a black and white dress, and it's like one sleeve, and then it like has a high split. So yeah, I just want to get tight and right for that. And you know, just summer, I don't like wearing clothes. I am over winter. I'm over it. back when I was younger, I used to love it. Love all the coats and the boots and all of that. But I'm like, nope. I just want to put on some shorts and a tank top. That's me. And have my hair wild and put on some sandals. Okay, guys, I have made it home, and I want to see, did I mess up my hair? So I don't know where I got this from. I don't think this is for the gym, but another thing I made at home safely, because I've done that before, and I just went right back home. But I was like, why? I think all they need is your license number, I believe. I don't know. Go make me a protein shake. And the protein shake brand that I use, they are black owned, and it's vegan. I'm not vegan, but the owner is vegan, and I've been following her for a while. And then she came out with this brand, and she has like a whole collection or whatever. So I'll drop a link for that below as well. It's pretty good. So I have flavors. I have is Southern banana pudding and grandma's pound cake.